Mama Kitty. She just ran down the basement again. Well, there's Chippy and Beeves and Swiffer. And we're gonna have another snowstorm today. It's gonna be a repeat of the one we had on Saturday. We're gonna get another 6 inches, maybe locally higher totals, it said. And I've been keeping an eye on it since yesterday. Right, Swiffer? See, I didn't even finish the snow here, and it's gonna snow 6 more inches, so we'll talk to you later. I gotta go run and do a few errands in town before it starts. So we'll talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.